Ever wondered how those cashback offers from your favorite financial apps actually work? You see the promises of savings, but what's the real story behind them? Today, we're diving into the world of Rocket Money and its cashback tie-ins. It's a question I get a lot: is this for real, and how do they do it? The first thing to understand is that Rocket Money itself isn't a bank. It's a personal finance app. So, the cashback you see isn't coming directly from them in the same way your bank might offer a percentage back on your credit card. Instead, it's all about partnerships and the broader ecosystem of Rocket companies. The main way this works is through the Rocket Visa Signature Card. This is their dedicated credit card, and it's the primary vehicle for earning cash back. When you use this card for your everyday purchases, you're earning points. And these points, this is the key part, are redeemable for cash back. The real magic, and the core of the tie-in, is how those points can be used. They're not just for statement credits, although that's an option. A significant and heavily promoted part of the program is the ability to redeem those points toward a Rocket mortgage. This could be for a new home purchase, or even to pay down the principal on an existing Rocket mortgage loan. So, for someone using the Rocket Money app who might also be in the market for a home, the connection is incredibly powerful. The app helps you budget and save, while the card rewards your spending, and all of that can funnel directly into one of the biggest financial goals of your life: home ownership. It's a smart way to incentivize users and keep them within the Rocket Company's family of products. Think of it as a financial hub. Rocket Money is the app that helps you manage your money, the Rocket Card is what you use to earn rewards, and Rocket Mortgage is the major goal those rewards can help you achieve. It's a seamless loop designed to serve a very specific and lucrative customer journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.